Hello students, open your textbook page number 118. So in last video I had told you about how to bulb connected to an electric cell. Okay, so student, look at this all arrangement of electric circuit and tell me which arrangement is the corrected one. Okay, so figure number A and figure number F is a correct arrangement of a electrical cell to the bulb. Okay, so student, look at in both figures, both two wires of a cell are connected to the bulb. Okay, and see in this figure also both terminal or both wire or a cell have two terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal. So in both figure, the positive terminal and the negative terminal are connected with wire to the bulb. Okay, and then see, this is a correct arrangement. Okay, and so this is because of this correct arrangement, bulb get glow. Bulb क्या होता है? Glow होता है. So see in B, figure number B, C and D and E. See, arrangement is wrong. So here arrangement is disconnected. See, in this figure arrangement is or wire only fixed to the negative terminal. In this figure both wires are connected to the positive terminal. So because of this wrong connection, bulb cannot glow. Okay, so these figures are correct figure. So student, so the two terminals of the cell or two terminals of the electrical cell were connected to the two terminal of the bulb. Correct. So these two terminal of the cell were connected to the two terminals of the bulb. So student, such an arrangement is called an electric circuit. So this correct arrangement of two terminal of cell to the two terminal of the bulb, so this arrangement is called an electric circuit. So इस correct arrangement को क्या बोलते हैं? An electric circuit. Okay, so student, now we are going to study about an electric circuit. So student, look at this figure of an electric circuit. So in this figure also, the two terminal of electrical cell were connected to the two terminals of the bulb. Okay, so student, the electric circuit, this electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity. So this electric circuit provides complete path for the electricity to pass between the two terminals, these two terminals of the electrical cell, and the bulb glows when only a current flow through the circuit. And when this bulb get glow, when the circuit is passed from these both two terminal of electric cell. Okay, so student, means कब ये बल्ब ग्लो होता है? जब सेल के दो टर्मिनल से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है, यहाँ से पास होती है, देन बल्ब गेट ब्लो. ओके, तभी बल्ब में क्या आती है? लाइट आती है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, in an electric circuit, the direction of current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal. Okay, so student, in this electric circuit, the current or the direction of the current, see this, from this way current will flow from positive to the negative terminal or from say electric cell to the bulb. Okay, so current is passing from the, see in this electric circuit, current is passing from electric cell to the bulb. Okay, or current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell. Okay, and when the terminals of the bulb are connected with that of the electric cell by wires, the current passes through the filament of the bulb. Correct. So see, in this circuit, current passes from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Okay, and in electric circuit, the wires are connected to the bulb, the positive terminal of the cell is connected to the bulb and the negative terminal of the cell is connected to the bulb with the wires, okay, with these wires, and because of this wire the current passes through the filament of the bulb. And see, from this way, because of the wire, because of these two wires, the current from the electric cell is passes through the filament of the bulb, and because of this current bulb glow. सो यहाँ से क्या पास होता है, करंट पास होता है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से क्या पास होता है, करंट पास होता है, और उसके और बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बल्ब क्या होता है, ग्लो होता है. ओके, समटाइम्स एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब डज नॉट ग्लो इवन इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द सेल. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है, ये बल्ब मतलब यहाँ पे कनेक्शन करेक्ट है, फिर भी बल्ब ब्लो नहीं होता है. ओके, this may happen if the bulb has fuse. If the bulb has fuse, look at the fuse bulb carefully. Okay, so student, why sometimes bulb cannot blow? Because of the fuse. तो हम कभी भी बोलते हैं ना, इसका फ्यूज गया होगा इसलिए ये बल्ब लाइट अप नहीं होता है. ओके, एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल बल्ब में फ्यूज ड्यू टू मेनी रीजंस. तो बल्ब का जो फ्यूज होता है वो क्यों जाता है, इट हैज मेनी रीजंस. So one reason for a bulb to fuse is a break in its filament. Okay, so कभी कभी क्या होता है, ये filaments है, ये two filaments है यहाँ. So when it filaments have break, that time bulb cannot blow. Okay, sometimes a break in the path of the current between the terminals of the electrical cell. कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो पाथ है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का, यहाँ पे ब्रेक मिलता है. यहाँ पे if wires are not connected properly to the cell, that time also bulb cannot blow. तो उससे भी यहाँ पे हमने कनेक्शन अच्छी तरह नहीं किया वायर्स का, सेल की यहाँ पे या बल्ब की यहाँ पे, तभी भी बल्ब ब्लो नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, a fuse bulb does not light up, no current pass through its filament. So if these wires are not connected properly to the cell, properly to the electrical cell, that time also current cannot passes through the bulb. Okay, and that time also bulb does not light up. Bulb does not light up मतलब यहाँ पे जो वायर्स है वो हमने प्रॉपरली यहाँ पे कनेक्ट नहीं किए इलेक्ट्रिक सेल को, then that time then current cannot easily pass through this filament and bulb does not light up. So these are the reason of the bulb fused bulb. These are the reasons of the bulb fuse. Okay, so student, this way you can make an electrical circuit at your home also. Okay, so for this you have to take one electric cell, then two wires and one small bulb, and you have to arrange all or you have to connect or fix this wire to the positive terminal of the cell and the negative terminal of the cell, and other part of the wire is you have to fix or connect to the connect to the part of the bulb, and second or negative terminal of the cell is connected with this wire to the other part of the bulb, and this way also you can make an electric circuit. Okay, so students, you have to try this at your home. Okay, thank you students.